Let's use a half sheet of colored paper. Then, hatiin natin siya sa dalawa. Or i-fold natin sa dalawa. Pero be sure na wag tutupiin this side. So, ito yung magiging, this side will be the part of our, yung tupi ng ating suit. Ito. Okay. So, yan. Let's measure 1.5 inch here. So, approximately 1.5 inch. Tapos, ipo-fold natin siya diagonally to create a 90-degree triangle. So, let's fold that. Then, here sa part na to, magka-cut tayo ng triangle mula sa dulo. Okay, cut tayo ng triangle. Then, let's flip this side sa kabilang side. Yan. Then, i-fold natin siya na mag-overlap sila dito. Tansyahin natin na mag-overlap sila, tapos pantay sila sa bawat gilid. Para pare-pares sila ng fold, pwede natin itong gamitin as a pattern para i-trace yung ating remaining sheets. Okay. I put glue in here. Or you may use double-sided tape para mas less messy siya. For the buttons and the ribbon of the suit, I will use this glittery cardboard. Excess lang to dun sa pinagawang invite sa akin. So, since maliliit naman yung buttons and the ribbon, pwede ko na tong gamitin. So, for you na walang ganitong glittery cardboard, nabili ko kasi ito sa Pandayan Bookshop. Pero pag wala, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng any dark blue colored paper. I cut 2 small circles that will serve as the buttons of our suit. Next, I cut and glued our small rectangular strip at the upper right side of the first circle. I also cut 2 triangles and glued it overlapping. Ta-da! We're done with the suit! Para sa loob ng ating invite, i-layout ko to sa publisher. If you want me to show you the video of how to make this, just comment down below. So this is a half sheet short specialty board. Nalilayout ko pa ganito. So basically, ganito siya. Ipo-pull out siya. Okay, so what are we going to do now? Second to the last step. We're gonna make this as the color of our shirt sa loob. So, kuha tayo ng gunting. Ika-cut lang natin siya dito sa dalawang sides. Then, fold it. Doesn't matter kung mag-overlap sila or hindi. Kasi tatakpan din naman natin yan ng bow tie mamaya. So, let's glue this. Lastly, we're going to put our ribbon or bow tie pwedeng kung hindi nyo alam gumawa nito, mag-drawing lang kayo ng dalawang triangle. Tapos, guntingin nyo sila. Lagyan nyo lang dito ng curve sa gilid. Pero kung okay lang din naman na triangle, na dalawang triangle yung tsura nyo. Tada! Here is our finished product. Here is our suit invite.